responsive design is key to creating great websites. And today I'm diving into Framer to learn like how it handles the websites, how can you create responsive websites and layouts. So yeah, today is day 17 of building my space mission simulator, and well, I'm gonna show you what I've been doing today and what I've been learning. I'm on my early stages of learning Framer. It's my second day, so do not expect crazy stuff, but yeah, anyways, let's get it. So here's the how do you say it, the diagram that I'm creating right now. The goal of this diagram and just watching tutorials and learning about Framer is just to get like a broad understanding of what's possible, you know, and not even broad, just I just want to know what's possible in Framer. So that's why I'm watching tutorials, and I'm not practicing so much, because I think there's a lot of value in being practical, you know, and just going to Framer and tweaking things and playing with stuff. But I wanna make a website, like I need to make a website for the school project, and I wanna make it cool, and I wanna learn what's possible, and yep, learn about it. So what have I learned about today? So let's check the diagram from yesterday. Oh, a day ago, about 22 hours ago. So this was the diagram yesterday. This is the diagram now. So we see that we have here we have a branch here, and over here, that like new branches we have here, branches. So we have breakpoints. This is a very main, like, wait, let me drop this. This is a main part of building responsive layouts in Framer. Then we also have media, like how to insert a video right now. And then I put here some how-to, which are like some notes that I can keep in mind to make better layouts. So let's get started with the media. So let me show you what I've been doing on Framer. I have created this simple, very simple layout. If I play it, you see that it's just an image and a button, which is not very well formatted, I guess. We have a title, but the thing is, if I do this, it resizes perfectly. And that's nice. So what have I done? Yeah, I have just inserted the video, which is like just go insert media, video, and you can do like you can insert a video with a URL, you see it over here, or with file upload. The thing is, with the upload, you only have a limited amount of video size that you can import with the free version. If it's like very, I mean, not very, if it surpasses a certain amount, you need to pay, basically. I'll keep it simple like that. And well, so this was not responsive before. Let me actually insert a video over here. So if I do this, I don't know why this is not oh, it's fixed. Why is it fixed, bro? I changed this. It has to be fit content, so it actually, like, you know, adjusts. So if we see this, wait, why is it not changing this, bro? Please. Wait, what? Shouldn't this change everything? I don't know, bro. I'm new to this. I don't know why it's not changing, but anyways. So as you see, this is not getting resized. And why is that? Because you need to like the width is fixed. It has a like 1040 pixels. What we need to do here is to to add a max width, you see, and the max width is going to be 100% of what? 100% of the screen. So if we add max width, we see that it's relative 100% to the screen, and now you see that it does indeed adjust. The thing is, here, like it's changing the height. You see, like the aspect ratio is not the same. Here it's very like elongated. I don't know if you understand, but like very wide. Here is more like a square, and here's like just very just, I don't know, big, I guess. So how do we change that? We go to this thing, we lock the aspect ratio, and if we do this, it does this trick, which means like it cannot, like it stays the same in terms of height and width, and that's really cool. So this is what I learned about that. Now let me check what else do we have here. Yeah, make it responsive, perfect, that's what I just said. Okay, then we have, let me go to the other thing, media, breakpoints. Yeah, let me go to breakpoints. So we have here 3 breakpoints, default breakpoints, the desktop, tablet and phone. We have the primary breakpoint, which is the desktop. Then we have like overrides and yeah, things to avoid, kind of avoid. Yeah, let's explain that thing. Let's go. So let's start with yeah. So here we have the breakpoints, the desktop, tablet and phone, and that's amazing. Next, what else? Let me check again. My brain isn't working. Excuse me. Alright, yeah. Like a couple minutes ago on the video, I got a bit bro, my brain doesn't work. Why? Like something didn't went as I expected. So, like in theory, when you have the primary breakpoint, when you change something, the change occurs on the other breakpoints as well. Like the other breakpoints, phone and tablet, will inherit the changes made on the primary breakpoint. So if I literally just make this a grid, it will be a grid in every well, actually, if I change the direction, it will change it in every single size, screen size, in every single breakpoint. So we do this, you see, it changed. Now, if I do this, it will also change in every breakpoint, you know? Like if I change the order. Then, if I... thing is, the primary breakpoint, like everything will inherit from the primary. But if a change is made in a breakpoint that's not like the main one, this is called an override, which means that if you make a change here, but it doesn't get changed on the other breakpoints. This is an override. It's when you make a change and it's unique to this breakpoint. So, as you see, I've changed the order of the button, and now it's on top of the text, and here it's still the same. Let's change this back to here. What else do I need to say here? Alright, yeah. Earlier, as you see, let's put this back to how it was. Can I remove? Yes, remove. Okay, so this, as you see, is not was not adjusting automatically. You could have done an override and adjusted it like this, but for like this core things that you do, I can't explain it, bro. But the core things like resizing something and automatically resizing this video, for example, these core things you usually want to avoid doing this override. You usually just want to do what I've been doing, which is adding a max width and locking this, so like it automatically adjusts. Yeah. Next, so what else do we have? Already 11 minutes. Damn. Next we have the layouts, the how-to. So how to control the spacing of the entire page. I actually loved this, bro. Like when I saw this, it got me excited, man. Get back control of the spacing of child elements that are inheriting the spacing of the parent. This might seem like Chinese, but no problem. I'll explain it in a second. And then make page size adjust to new content that is being added. Oh yeah, this is what I explained earlier, which is that if you just get this breakpoint and put the height to fit content, it will adjust. If I remove this, boom, you see it adjusts automatically, like the size of the desktop, like white thing, I guess you can call it. And yeah, what's next? So we can actually control the spacing of all the elements of the page by making this desktop a layout. So if I remove this, oh crap, I don't know what I did, but no worries. If I remove this, it's kind of like a frame. What is this? Not even a frame. I don't know what is this, bro. Something weird. We don't want that. But if I add a layout to this, and wait, this just changed like this. I don't know why. No worries. Yeah, we can control the spacing. So if I go over here and I put like a big gap, you see that this is changing this and this is changing this. And 1 second, let me just do this like this, and this goes out as well, and this I will remove in a second. Okay, and like the spacing of every single element is the same. If you do this and you put the gap of 100, everything will have gap 100, like, right? Yeah. No. Oh my, what am I doing? What is this, brother? Oh yeah, okay. Let me just remove this. Oh crap. Bro, this, what am I doing? Okay, let me just do one thing. This will go here, this will go here, and this will go here. And now let me remove this. Now we're talking. Now yeah, the gap will be the same. But if I don't want this, like if I want this big gap over here between sections, between videos, but I don't want this like big ass gap between the text and the button and everything, what do? Basically what I just removed. We just group them. We group these elements into a container. For example, we can group them into a frame. I'll just do this and add frame or stack. I'll add a stack actually. So we add a stack, and now we can change the gap and the spacing of these elements separately. So we do this, it only changes this inside the gap inside these things, and that's really cool. And imagine if I wanted to, like if I wanted to, where am I? Like put this gap really high, but I wanted this to be like more close to each other. What should we do? Group it again. You do this, you add a stack for example, and you group it, and now it's like this. then we can, like, you see that this is like very big. This is taking the whole space. This box, this stack is taking the whole space, the whole width of the page. To make it so it fits the content, like the name says, we just do fit content, which has the shortcut of Shift A. Boom. And that's really nice, I think. And now let's put a bit of padding over here. Top padding, yeah. Yeah, that's basically what I have learned in this beautiful day. And I don't think I have anything else to say. Nope. Beautiful. Well, this is today's video. Wish you a very nice one. Bye bye.